Want to save time and move faster in Vizcom? Check out these tips and tricks. Did you know that if you press and hold Alt on a PC or Option on a Mac, you can duplicate any element on a workbench? This works for prompt boxes, images, and yes, even text. So hopefully that'll save you time in case you want to do different variations with prompt boxes or duplicate images really quickly to reuse. Next, we have a couple ways that you can easily connect multiple images to a modified prompt box. You can select these images, up to 4 images, then click the plus button and drag it out. Now, if we go to what are you creating to the modified prompt box, then we'll have all 4 images, in this case, these 2 images, already attached. But let's go ahead and get rid of this box because there's another cool way that you can also move images into a modified prompt box. Let's say that we create a modified prompt box off of this texture image, but we also want to now add the watch. We can click and drag this watch image right over the text area, and that'll also attach that image as well. So clicking and dragging is now a thing. And this is also pretty cool. You can reorder the thumbnails simply by clicking and dragging the thumbnail. So in this case, we swap the watch and we'll swap it back. So simply click and drag to swap the order of the thumbnails, because now you can describe your changes and you can use the @ and number in the prompt. Another very cool but hidden feature is being able to create a studio file from multiple images on Workbench. Simply select multiple images, right click, and go to Add Selection as Layers in Studio. This is going to create a new image that will have all 4 images as individual layers in Studio. So hopefully this will save you time in case you want to use this to do some compositing. We'll go back to Workbench. And finally, I just wanted to mention, anytime you see these 3 dots, it means that there's many more options under those 3 dots. Those 3 dots exist on prompt boxes, for example, here, and images here. So anytime you see those, simply click on them. You'll have several more options. Hopefully these tips and tricks will help you. Check back for more.